Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for joining us here this afternoon. My name's Jamie Dixon. I'm Editor-in-Chief with Guitarist magazine, and I just want to say a few words about our finalists today. First, permit me to say that what an incredible performance by all of our finalists today. At the end of the day, we will have a winner, but there are absolutely no losers here. And I just want to let everybody know the field of entrance that these guys got to the top of was really talented, it was tough, and it was broad and diverse. So all three contestants who came here today are really kind of at the apex of a very large group of people who entered with fantastic music. So just a round of applause for everybody who performed today here, please. And lastly, I want to say something from the judges panel on behalf of all of us who weighed up and deliberated today. This final really was separated by a hair's breadth. It was a very, very tough choice. I know that's a cliche of judging, but we really found we were stretched with this one. But at the end of the day, while there are no losers, there is a winner. And it is my pleasure to announce that Hunter Hallberg has taken the title of Young Guitarist of the Year. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him his congratulations. Congratulations, Hunter.